Hi, Pete from Fenceline. What I want to show you today is the new strainer that we're selling at the moment. We've upgraded the chain so it's high tensile. It's got another 500 kilo in braking strain. It's a lot lighter, a lot easier to use. So what we've got here to use with the new chain is we've got two things. We've got a trigger on this pawl, so you can easily pull it out when you want to put it on and off the chain. And we've got this part here which guides the chain, which you'll see in the video, back into the pawls when you're walking up. So I'll show you now. Pull your chain out, use your thumb, it's on. Again, I'll pull that off. So just use your trigger, it's on, and drop your chain over the back. We always do that before we put this on the wire. And the reason why people put this on the wire first is two reasons. Is because one, their chain isn't long enough and their strainers slip. So in this case we haven't got that problem. Put that over the top, grab your wire and flick it on. So you can just push your slack through these because we don't bend the wire, and away you go. So it walks up the chain as per normal, but you'll see this top plate, I'll go really slow, just pushes the links down so that they go under the pawls. No moving parts there as such, but it just works so easy. That's it. You want to take this off the chain. For more information, you can click on the link in the description to visit our website or to place an order.